how to log into your Remitly account step by step. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is simply get your application from your App Store or Play Store. Then from there, you can simply open the application, right? So after opening your Remitly application, all you need to do is simply add in your credentials in order to log into your account. So first of all, choose your language, then tap on continue. Then you can select I already have a profile since we are logging into our existing profile. So after doing that, all you need to do is add in your email address, then tap on continue. Or in case if you have sign up your account with any of those platforms like your Google ID or Apple ID, you can tap on them and go along with the process of how you'll be able to log into your account, right? So like I said, all you need to do is write in your email address, then tap on continue, and there will be the requirement of adding down the password of your account. Simply do that, then tap on login, and just like that, you'll be able to log into your Remitly account. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below, and that will be it for this video.